9196, a Scenic Ocean View. As you come in, you have all your closets here to the left, as well as some drawers. In fact, I'll just come in and turn around so you can see. It's a whole wall of closets, which is nice. People have stashed their stuff in there, so we don't want to go too close. Over here is your desk area, lighted mirror, 2 US power, 1 European power, smaller television by today's standards. This happens to be an adjoining cabin, so if you had people next door, you could connect the 2 cabins. There is a sofa that can convert to a bed right here with some storage there with drawers and a small door on this one. But this is a Scenic Ocean View, not the Scenic Grand Ocean View. You have just the one window here, which is still fine. We are like all but dead mid-ship. I would just sit here all day long. This would be great. You do have a little seating area. The bed is either 2 twins when separated or 1 king when together, like you see it. Look at that view. There is a shade that goes down. It's automatic. There's a button somewhere. The button is over by the window. In the other cabin, it was by the bathroom. There's the button right there that lowers the shade. Let's take a look at the bathroom. A little dark in here. It does have a stand-up shower. It's only got a curtain though. It's not too small, not too big. But the toilet is in a great place for someone my size, which is 6'4". Single basin sink, 6 shelves, makeup mirror. Nice. Not too bad. So let us know what you think of the ocean view. It's beautiful.